these are just you add water in it and you put the corrugated tubing on here. Okay? Now, we can use this with the trach mask or T-piece. Let me tell you what T-piece is. So if the patient has artificial airway, meaning he is having ET2 or has a trach, right? You can use this one and without using any mask, connect this to the end of ET2, and then you need to have 2 pieces of this. So normally we cut this, one part here, we provide exhalation, and one side of it goes to the oxygen. So it would be, let me connect it. So if I have a ET2, this goes here, and imagine I cut one piece of that and put it on this side for my exhalation. So it will be here, okay? The reason why we do that for the intubated patient is if they are not sure that patient passed the extubation or may need to be re-intubated, right? They may tell you, take him off the vent, put him on T-piece and see how he does. So that means the ET tube is still there, so they don't have to re-intubate him because probably he was difficult intubation, right? So at that point, they don't extubate him, they just do the trial. Put him on this, let him spontaneously breathing. He's not on the machine, you just provide oxygen with this. So this is gonna be connected to the ET tube, right? This is gonna connect to the oxygen, to the wall, it goes on the wall. And this end of it, I need exhalation bar. You cut 6 inches of corrugated tube, put it on here for the exhalation. Any question? No? Do you want me to?
Oh, what was this one?
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
No question for that? Okay. And instead of anything that goes with aerosol mask, you can connect it because both ending of it are the same size. You can connect it to trach mask as also. Because if this fits on this, it will fit on this one. Okay? To provide humidification. No question on this part? Next. So you're gonna play with all of those next week, but I just wanna give you a little bit of introduction. Nothing else is left. This is the old-fashioned way of ensuring mask. It would come different colors, and each time you have to change this. But now with the new one I show you, you pull it down and you turn it, and it just changes the size. These are having fixed size, so you have to replace it with different sizes. So now this is what we call mustache. It is for home care purposes, and it's a reservoir to kind of not lose oxygen so much. So if the patient is on 2-liter oxygen nasal cannula, he probably can be on 1 liter using the mustache and doesn't run out of the tank that quickly because there is already some oxygen building here. So it has a reservoir. Okay, there is another one which we don't have it here. They call it pendant. It looks like a circle. It goes under, and it also is like a reservoir. It is for home use. You don't use those in the hospital. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah.
So next week after your quiz,